Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you use the reverse button in mesh picture in CapCut PC. Alright, so for simple, I'm going to add the video to the track and I'm going to add the overlay. Hold on. I'm going to remove the background. Sorry. I'm going to select the auto cutout. This is for the size and the position. Alright. So I'm going to add mesh. Just click mesh and select mesh that you like. For example, I'm going to select the circle mesh and adjust for the circle size. And how to use the reverse button. Just click the reverse button right here and you can see for the final result like this. Right, so simple. Alright, that's how you can reverse the mesh. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.